You've just installed Arch Linux with KDE Plasma. The system boots fine, the desktop looks clean, and everything feels fast. But out of the box, Arch is intentionally minimal. That's the philosophy. You get control, but you also get responsibility. In this video, we'll go through 5 important things you should do right after installing Arch Linux with KDE Plasma. These steps don't turn Arch into something bloated. They turn it into something usable, comfortable, and reliable for daily work. By the end, your system will feel complete, polished, and ready for real use. Let's begin. The first thing to do after installing Arch Linux is to make sure your system is fully updated and properly synced. Arch is a rolling release. That means updates are not optional maintenance. They are part of how the system stays healthy. Before installing anything else, open the terminal and enter the shown update command. This synchronizes your package databases and brings every installed package to the latest stable version. While this runs, it's worth understanding what makes Arch different. There are no major version upgrades. Every update is a small evolution of the system. Once the update completes, reboot the system if the kernel or core components were updated. This gives you a clean baseline before moving forward. Starting from an updated system prevents strange bugs later. It's the quiet foundation that makes everything else work smoothly. The second thing to do is to enable essential system services. A fresh Arch installation often has only the bare minimum enabled. KDE Plasma looks complete, but several background services may not be running yet. Network management is the first thing to verify. If you're using Network Manager, make sure the service is enabled and active. This ensures stable Wi-Fi and Ethernet behavior, especially after reboots. Next, enable Bluetooth if your hardware supports it. Even if you don't use Bluetooth daily, enabling it now saves troubleshooting later. Time synchronization is another small but important detail. Accurate system time matters for updates, browsers, certificates, and log files. You're not adding bloat here. You're activating the basic infrastructure a modern desktop expects. Once these services are enabled, your system behaves predictably instead of mysteriously. The third thing to do is install essential desktop software. Arch gives you freedom, not defaults. That means many everyday tools are simply not installed yet. Start with a web browser if you haven't already. Then add a file archive tool, a screenshot utility, and a basic text editor beyond the terminal. For KDE Plasma, installing KDE's own utilities keeps the experience consistent. They integrate better with themes, notifications, and shortcuts. This is also a good moment to install a package manager with a graphical interface if you like having one. It doesn't replace the terminal, it complements it. You're building a toolbox, not a warehouse. Only install what you actually use. A clean Arch system stays fast because you decide what belongs on it. The fourth thing to do is enable the AUR properly. The Arch Linux user repository is one of Arch Linux's greatest strengths. It contains community-maintained packages that are not available in the official repositories. Instead of manually building packages, install a trusted AUR helper, then use it carefully. The key idea with the AUR is awareness. Read what you install. Understand that these are community scripts, not official packages. With the AUR enabled, you gain access to proprietary apps, niche tools, and cutting-edge software. This is where Arch truly opens up. Used wisely, the AUR makes Arch incredibly powerful. Used blindly, it can cause problems. Respect the tool, and it will reward you. The fifth and final thing to do is to customize KDE Plasma for performance and comfort. KDE is extremely flexible. Out of the box, it's good. With a few adjustments, it becomes excellent. Start by reviewing system settings related to animations and visual effects. Disabling or reducing heavy animations makes the desktop feel faster, especially on older hardware. At this point, your Arch Linux KDE system is no longer just installed. It's prepared. You have an updated base, essential services running, useful software installed, AUR access configured, and a desktop tuned to your workflow. This is the Arch way. Not fast setup, not one-click convenience, but a system that fits you because you shaped it. From here, you can move into development, gaming, content creation, or daily productivity with confidence.